Where are you going? Yeah, it's in Scooter. Where are you going? Look at all the snow. Hey, Lucy girl. There's Lucy and Missy. It's okay, girl.
Lucy, are you freezing to death?
She's dragging her feet, look at her. Oh, it's cold through here.
Huh?
It's cold through here, that wind coming off the mountain. Yeah. Oh, wind there.
Come on, baby, come back this way.
Where are you going, darling?
Turn around.
Hey!
You're gonna get lost.
There's a bunch of drift coming off them trees.
It's weird, it's not on the trees.
Yeah, I know.
It must be really dry snow.
Yeah, it is pretty dry. Come here, baby. I'm gonna get you. What's going on, Rudolph? Hey, Missy girl. Huh? It's a little doggy. Okay, stop there, turn around. Come on. Come here. Hey. Yeah. Huh? Do it again. Throw it at Daddy. Come on, back that way. Run to Mummy, go, run. Oh! Run to Mummy. She's been talking about playing in the snow for ages, and now that she doesn't know what to do. It's starting to get snow on my shoes.
She's having so much fun.
Yeah.
This is better than the computer, huh?
She's getting better. She's turning into Rudolph though.
Yeah, I know. We better go back in for a few minutes till Mama gets home.
Let's go back inside and we'll come back out when Mama gets home, baby.